In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Pay through Jotform's Stripe checkout integration. This process is relatively straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Google Pay into your Jotform forms using Stripe checkout. To get started, head over to jotform.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, click on it, and proceed to enter your email and password in the respective fields. Once you've done that, click on the login button to gain access to your account. After logging in, you will be directed to your workspace. Next, you'll want to select the form you wish to edit. Simply identify the form from your list and click on the Edit Form option. This will open up the Form Builder interface where you can make changes to your form setup. Now it's time to add a payment connection to your form. Look for the option that says Add a Payment Connection and click on it. This will bring up a menu where you'll need to select Add New Connection. In the list of payment connections available, you'll notice options for both Apple Pay and Google Pay. Select this option to proceed with the integration. After selecting Apple and Google Pay, move forward by clicking on the Next button. This will guide you to the step where you need to choose Stripe Checkout as your payment processor. Stripe Checkout is recommended for its robust features and seamless compatibility with Jotform. Selected Stripe Checkout? Great, now click Next again to continue. You're nearly through with the setup. At this stage, you should enter a name for your connection. This naming step helps in keeping your integrations organized, particularly if you manage numerous payment connections. Once named, you have the option to configure the connection mode. For testing purposes, you might want to use test mode to ensure everything functions correctly before going live. With the configuration set, your next move is to click on Connect with Stripe Checkout. This action will redirect you to your Stripe account where you need to authorize the integration. Follow any prompts you might encounter on this platform to complete the connection process. Once the connection to Stripe is established, return to Jotform and click on Use to select the newly created connection. Remember, saving your changes is crucial to ensure everything is correctly integrated, so don't forget to click the Save button. There you have it. You have successfully integrated Google Pay via Stripe Checkout within Jotform. This integration should streamline your payment processes and provide your users with a smooth checkout experience. If you run into any issues, you can always revisit these steps or consult additional resources available on Jotform's support page. Thanks for watching and happy form building.